Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will walk you through the process of updating your QuickBooks desktop software. Keeping your QuickBooks up to date is crucial to access new features, enhancements, and bug fixes, and effectively can make a huge difference in your financial management. But before we jump into the action, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures. And it will keep you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back, and we appreciate your ongoing support and could not wait to embark on this journey with all of you once again. Now, let's get back into updating your QuickBooks desktop software. There's an utmost importance for several reasons why we have to do it. Number one, updates often include new features and functionalities that can improve your efficiency and productivity when managing your finances, right? I mean, like staying current allows you to take advantage of these enhancements and software updates, but more often than not, it includes security patches and fixes glitches, bugs, or known vulnerabilities. By updating, you protect your data, right, from potential cyber threats and hackers. And also, the performance optimization can make the software run faster and more efficiently. Saves you a lot of time and frustration when you are working with your financial data, because QuickBooks desktop updates ensure that your data files remain compatible with the latest version of the software. If you need, to collaborate with others or upgrade to a newer versions of QuickBooks in the future, having up-to-date data files is really essential, right? Into it, the company behind QuickBooks may provide technical support and assistance primarily for users with up-to-date software. So running an outdated version may limit your access to customer support. So you might want to upgrade your subscription on it, right? Regularly updating QuickBooks helps maintain the integrity of your financial data and reduces the risk of data corruption or data loss due to outdated software. In overall, updated software often includes user interface enhancements and usability improvements, making it more user friendly and intuitive, right? So, if you are using the same version that I have here, all you got to do is go to this window panel here. No, window options up the upper right. And all you're gonna do is click updates. And when you click the updates option, just click update. That's easy, right? Piece of cake and a walk in the park. And now that you are updated, that's it. That's all you gotta do to update your QuickBooks desktop software. And once again, thank you for joining us today. If you find this tutorial, make sure that you don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more QuickBooks online tutorials. And you may leave any questions or feedback in the comments below. I love reading all your comments, and thank you for our loyal subscribers who share this link to their friends and colleagues and family, making our small community bigger each and every day. And until next time, happy bookkeeping!